A business executive from Chinese company ZT says digital transformation is the most significant trend the communication and information industries are experiencing. Wang Xiang, Chief Strategy Officer of ZT, made the remarks at the just concluded Mobile World Congress 2023 held in Barcelona, Spain.
整个行业对疫情3年之后重启进度抱有希望。那从最近的几年来看，数字化、产业化、以及智能化和绿色低碳化作为一个主要的趋势正在作为大势所趋，坚定不移。那对于行业来说，数字化的转型大势所趋在当前的一个阶段，产业和行业通讯产业、信息产业和行业如何能快速的结合，是他们一个重点关注的话题。
ZT, a leading communication information solution provider, serves over 160 countries and regions. According to Wang, amid the emerging industry trends, ZT is taking the opportunity to provide better solutions for consumers worldwide.
那我们也针对全球在不同场景下进行了一些细分，并且把一些需求进行了聚合，从而形成了对不同的市场的一个综合的解决方案。这样呢，用户呢提供一个精简的网络，就能快速的进行网络的部署。
Wang said that as the industry is undergoing great uncertainty, it is essential for companies to be adaptable in their own operations. This year's MWC, held between February the 27th and March the 2nd, has 5 sub-themes: 5G acceleration, Reality Plus, OpenNet, FinTech, and Digital Everything.